Hey guys, it's Mohammed here from Tekker Reviews, and in today's video we have the GameSir X2, a mobile gaming controller that connects to your Android device via USB Type-C input. Now if you enjoy playing games like I do, then make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. Now without further ado, let's get straight into the video. So the GameSir X2 is pretty much a gaming controller that connects directly to your mobile phone via USB Type-C as opposed to Bluetooth, thereby limiting the delay in active response time. It's mainly designed for Android devices that support Type-C input, so if you have an older Android model or Apple iPhone, then you'll probably want to see the other alternatives available in the description below. The device can support cloud gaming through your mobile phone, and works well when using xCloud, Google Stadia, GeForce Now, amongst others as well. The layout of the controller is very similar to the Nintendo Switch, so it should feel very familiar to Switch users while gaming. However, if you prefer Xbox or PlayStation 5 controls, then you can easily configure this in the settings page for each game you play. The X2 also has ultra low power consumption and doesn't require any additional batteries to power the device. While gaming at the hour mark, the controller had only consumed 2 amp of my total phone battery. However, I could easily charge my phone and game at the same time thanks to the USB Type-C port available towards the bottom of the device. GameSir have also constructed the X2 design to cater for even the largest of phones out there on the market. While playing using my Samsung Galaxy Fold fully expanded, I was able to successfully insert my phone into the controller pad due to the 167mm expansion available. In regards to the product breakdown, on front you have the USB Type-C port as well as 2 thumbstick controls. You also have the direction keypad on the left as well as your action buttons on the right. The X2 also includes a screenshot button to capture your gaming, as well as a home button and 2 G buttons to bring up additional menus. On top you get 4 trigger buttons including L1, L2, R1 and R2. On the side you get 2 grips to place both hands, and towards the bottom you have a USB Type-C input to charge your mobile phone. Finally, on the back you get the GameSir company logo. In terms of packaging, on the front you have the GameSir logo as well as an image and name of the device. On the back you get a breakdown of the GameSir X2 controller and further product information. Inside the box you get the GameSir X2 controller as well as 1 GameSir sticker and instructions on how to use the device. The setup process is pretty straightforward. Connect your mobile phone to the GameSir X2 controller and that's pretty much it. Literally plug and play. Just in case you have any issues using the controller, try closing the game you're playing and then load it again. Now for some testing. I'll be playing games downloaded from the App Store and through cloud gaming using Microsoft xCloud. When playing racing games like Asphalt and Need for Speed, the controller works well and I don't feel any in-game response delay when selecting the buttons. Even when playing games like Gangster Vegas, you definitely feel the difference when using the controller as opposed to using the touchscreen controls. Now this is where things start to get interesting. When cloud gaming through Microsoft xCloud and playing shooting games like Doom Eternal, the gaming experience in combination with the X2 controller is truly amazing. Getting to play AAA game titles directly from my phone is already a plus, and having a controller that works great adds that finishing touch. Just like the mobile phone games, I didn't experience any in-game response delay while using the controller and gaming using xCloud. Even while playing games like Forza Motorsport 4, the experience using the X2 controller was definitely noticeable. Overall, if you enjoy mobile gaming and want to replicate that controller feeling you get from PlayStation, Xbox or Nintendo, then the GameSir X2 is a product you should definitely look into. Cloud gaming with the controller is also great, and it really does help improve your gaming experience. If you have a Switch, then the button layout will feel very familiar. My only drawbacks here is that the device is only compatible for Android Type-C devices, meaning that older Android models and iPhone users will be missing out. I also feel like the thumbsticks could have been a little bigger, and I mainly noticed this while playing games like Pro Evo and FIFA. Finally, if you're used to Xbox and PlayStation controls, then you'll probably need to set some time aside adjusting your button config before diving in. However, these configurations can easily be changed within your in-game settings. In regards to pricing, You can pick up the GameSir X2 from Amazon for around £70, which yes, is a bit on the premium side. However, if you're a serious gamer and find yourself on the go quite a lot, then the GameSir X2 is a device you should definitely look into, and you can find the link to purchase in the description below. But that's all from me, guys. Do you enjoy mobile gaming? And is the GameSir X2 a device that you would purchase? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I'm Mohammed from Tekker Reviews, and I'll see you all in the next video.